Morning people, Mills Travel Gang, welcome to the channel.
Hello.
If it's your first time watching this channel, we're in Guatemala at the moment, currently in Antigua, not in the Caribbean, Guatemala. Antigua. Like a hat, you get me, or sombrero. So people, if you're just watching my video for the first time, make sure you check out the previous videos. I've got a playlist, Guatemala. Done a few volcano hikes. There's more coming. So make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, hit those bell notifications. We've got more coming for you. But yeah, anyway people, right now we're in Antigua, Guatemala. I'm going to show you around what it's like. Tengo hambre, mi amor, see? So we're gonna get some food. Yeah. This is a crazy old town. I'll tell you more about it a bit later. I'm gonna show you around some old sites. Guatemala, Antigua. Here we are. The old capital city. It was the old capital city, founded in the early 16th century. And we're currently people in a very highly active seismic area. You get me? Proper seismic. And in the past, since the 16th century, there's been so many earthquakes. I'll show you some of the ruins later. So many earthquakes, volcanoes, there's been hurricanes here. But yeah, mainly what happened was back in the days, in the 1773, there was a big boy earthquake. A massive earthquake, people. 1773, and it literally destroyed the whole city. So what they had to do was move the city to Guatemala City, to where it is right now. That's where we flew into, people. So yeah, it's built on a grid pattern. It's crazy. It's like blocks. Reminds me a little bit like Barcelona, I think. You know, back in the days it was inspired by the Italian Renaissance, and the city still got traces of the Spanish culture. The old colonial structures, government buildings, religious ones, you know, churches, cathedrals and stuff, private yards, private houses and stuff. Yeah, it's a crazy place. They have to preserve the city, so you won't see billboards and all that marketing stuff. If you look down all the streets, there's no billboards, there's no advertising. Don't get me wrong, all the restaurants, they've got logos and things like that outside. Like the mobile phone shop, claro. Yeah, but as you can see, they're maintaining the original vibe, the old school ways Keeping it real, keeping it original. Un español original. It's alright, mate. So we're eating down here, people. Epicure. Come down here last time. It is nice in here, babe, right? Banging. See? So this is what they do, people. Before you walk in a restaurant, check your temperature. Wash your hands as well. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Bien? Gracias. See? Babe, can you hold this for me, please? 1 sec. Beeps. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Rico.
Hola.
Ahí. Siento calor. ¿Todo bien?
Sí, aquí.
Gracias. Sí, gracias. Salud. Cerveza Monte Carlo, banging. Gang, gone in room number 249. This is the special travel gang suite. Let's give you a little tour. So far so good. Little dining area. There's a nice artwork on the wall. Little lounge area we've got here. Again, some more lovely artwork on the wall. There's a mini bar with some of the international favourites. It's the view outside. Little terrace. Couple of lounges, couple of volcanoes, you get me? Ooh, don't know if you heard that, but that one just rumbled. The room is unreal. For the ladies. Can't go wrong, people. Just can't go wrong. Fireplaces as well. There's a nice artwork again. Jacuzzi, TV for two, baño. Yeah, people even got a sauna room in here, you get me? Nice. Crazy. Santo Domingo Hotel y Museo. Santo Domingo Hotel and Museum, people. Volcan Agua over there. It's always got a cloud on the top so you can't see the cone. Yeah, you can just about see Fuego and the cone. Nice place, people, check it out. Hotel Santo Domingo. Mention Travel Gang, get a 10% discount. You get me? Good morning, buenos dias. Let's check out the view today. Oh my fucking days. It's cleared up. Almost see the cone. Top of that's Volcan Agua. Senor Fuego over there. You get me?